Hello sci-finers, welcome back to another episode of durability test. So today guys we will do the hammer test of Redmi Note 6 Pro. So will it survive or not? Let's see. So sci-finers, we are going to hit the Redmi Note 6 Pro with this hammer. So let's do it now. Oh man, that was crazy. I didn't expect this. It happened too early. I mean our first try and glass is shattered. So sci-finers, let's go for second one. Oh my god, same result again. Recently guys, we did the extreme water test of the Redmi Note 6 Pro, but finally it failed that test. No doubt it survived our drop test which we did previously. But this time we can't say the same. Let's check backside camera glass too. Oops, I think camera is gone too now. There you have it guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, feel free to subscribe, it's free, and make sure you turn on the notification bell icon too.